Hi, I'm Dr. Deva Khalsa. I've been a holistic veterinarian for over 30 years. I lecture internationally, write for several magazines, and I'm the author of the best-selling Dr. Khalsa's Natural Dog. I am really excited about this video today that we're going to do. This is on how to eliminate allergies in your dogs and cats at home. We're on Itchy Dog Part 8, but really the most important thing is that this will teach you how to treat your dogs with this ground-breaking technology at home for their allergies. Well, let me tell you a little bit about myself. I've been working with the allergy elimination techniques with dogs, cats, and horses for 3 decades. What I do is analyze hundreds of vials of allergens and pick the exact ones needed for each patient. And that's the very best way to do it. But there are some effective allergy elimination techniques that you can use right at home. So the first thing is to figure out what your dog or cat is allergic to. Sometimes that's really easy to do. All you have to do is give your dog chicken and he starts itching. Or maybe you give your dog beef and he gets diarrhea. Or maybe your cat goes wild only if he has fleas. In those instances, you're going to know what's causing the allergy. So here's what you can do. Take a clean glass jar. It should be sort of small because you have to hold it next to your dog or cat. And if it's small, well, it's just easier to do. It can be a baby food or jam or spice jar, and it should be nice and clean. But it has to be glass. It won't work well in a plastic container. Put the item you think your dog or cat is allergic to, the chicken, the beef, some ground up dead fleas, and close the lid. Then hold the jar next to your pet and very gently tap down on either side of his spine, starting from just below his head and going down to his or her tail, right where the body ends at the tail. You stop where the body ends. Now I'm going to show you later how to do this, and it's really, really easy. But first, one suggestion. Let's say you don't know what your pet is allergic to. You don't know what he's exactly allergic to, but at certain times of the year, let's say the spring or maybe the fall, he or she really starts itching. Mostly likely, I'll give that again. It's most likely a pollen. You can put a wide-mouthed plastic food container outside for 24 hours with about an inch of water in it. The water will collect all of the pollens that are in the air. After about 24 to 48 hours, collect the water and again put it in a glass jar. Hold it next to your dog and cat and pat down his or her back. You can gather grasses if you think your pet is allergic to certain grasses and put them in a jar. And you can even gather mold if it grows in spots around your house. Once you begin to treat for an item you feel your dog is allergic to, I would recommend doing the treatment twice a day for about 3 days. Then you can be sure you did it enough. So if it was going to work and your dog was allergic to it, well, you did it enough times for it to work. This is really easy. Now, first thing is that you're lightly touching the muscles next to the spine. And the spine has acupuncture points all along it, and they're called back shoe points. That's what you're touching. You're doing it very gently. You're not jabbing. It's just a gentle touch. And you always start at the top and put a little pressure about every inch or so and go down the spine to the bottom. You do it about 10 times each time you treat. So if you're treating your dog, let's say for chicken, and you put it in a jar, you hold the jar next to him and you start at the top and go down his back 10 times. Down the spine 10 times, not up and down. Always start at the top and go down to the tail. You can go to my video, Dr. Khalsa, NAET. Meet me and my bulldog friend Eleanor and learn now how to eliminate allergies in your dogs, cats, and horses. I want you to have healthier dogs and cats. My blog, dogandcatvitamins.com, has great tips for you so that you can have healthier dogs and cats. And I look forward to seeing you there.